What is up, guys? Tan here with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And a question I get a lot is it too late to start dropshipping? And the flat out answer is no. It is not too late to start dropshipping. The opportunities could never be better right now in early 2018. So in this video, I'm going to be going over some reasons on why Shopify dropshipping is not dead and why the opportunities are still there. And remember, guys, it is currently Saturday afternoon and Sunday at midnight. I'm closing my course, so if you want to get in, make sure you get in there right now. And thank you to everyone who has already got in there. I know you guys are already starting to kill it with dropshipping and starting to make money because a lot of value is in there, and I'm going to continue to add value in there. So thank you to everyone who has joined, and the link will be in the top link in the description. If you have any questions, make sure to DM me on Instagram or email me. So let's get back in this video. Shopify dropshipping is not dead, and it is not dying. The opportunities are endless right now with dropshipping because selling is never going to go away. There's always going to be a way to sell stuff online and make money online. That's never going to end. People are always going to buy stuff. That's just how consumer America works. Consumers all over the world even. I mean, just buying stuff. Everybody has to buy stuff. There's necessities and wants. And we are people that are providing stuff that are wants. Because we're dropshippers, we provide these products to people. We put it in front of their faces to try and get them to buy it because they want it. And we're trying to get them to buy it. Basically take the bait from our ads and go and buy the product. So we are able to make a profit off of them. So that's what dropshipping is all about. And right now, I feel like the only reason why people think that dropshipping is dead because there's a lack of creativity right now in the dropshipping industry. Because I see a ton of people make stores. A lot of people say they take action, they go, they make a store, but they really aren't doing the work to actually do product research and actually find what's necessary to actually become successful dropshipping. They're piggybacking off of other people. They're seeing other people become successful dropshipping and they find their stores and they copy them. They piggyback them. So I know I've talked about how I do product research. I find other people's products and sell them as my own, but I'm not copying other people's stores, their ads and stuff like that. I'm essentially finding a trending product, putting it on my own page, finding related products, and building my own store, being creative around that and making these creative ads to actually show people that this is a creative way of marketing it, and this is how I put it in front of people's faces and get them to buy it. Because if I copied someone else, then it would just be creating direct competition. So by taking someone's trending product and selling it as my own, I am sort of in a way creating direct competition, but it's all about creativity and your angle of marketing. Because right now what I see early 2018 is a lack of creativity in marketing. Because marketing is huge. It's never going to go away. That's always going to be there. Something that we use to make money is marketing. It could be for doing something for free or making money. Anything. Marketing, just putting something out there for people to see. So if you're good at marketing, then you're able to utilize these tools and strategies that you have come up with by yourself and transfer them to your Shopify dropshipping stores and make the most money possible. But if you're not being creative, you're not utilizing these skills and actually taking the time to learn, you're just copying someone, then you're not going to become successful in the long run. You may get lucky and you copy someone's store and you're able to put more ad money in, so you start making a lot of money, but in the long run, these skills aren't going to be transferable because once that store dies, the products start to die off, then you're not going to be able to use these exact skills and put them into a new store because you copied it, you piggyback someone exactly. So right now with marketing, I see a lot of people copying ads exactly. And one thing that I saw yesterday is that, so I launched my course yesterday and I show exactly how I take a store from $0 to over $1,000 a day. And there's a bonus section and a bunch of other stuff. But anyways, in the series I show the store and what it is, how I create the ads for it and everything like that, buying ads and stuff like that. And so I actually checked the influencer page that I bought from in the course yesterday, and someone had already exactly copied my store and the ad and bought from the exact same influencer that I used in the video. So I thought that was pretty funny. And I bet you that they didn't make many sales because they copied me exactly, and that's something that I had already used to make money. So people have seen it, especially that influencer, because I just used that influencer for the video, and then they went out and copied it exactly. So I guarantee you that the ad probably wasn't profitable because, I mean, I saw that it was changed a little bit, but honestly it was changed in a bad way. And one thing, guys, that I want to say really quick is that if you're buying from influencers on Instagram, make sure you have an Instagram account for your e-commerce business. Because if you don't, you're going to be missing out on a lot of sales and a lot of traffic. Because you want to have a call to action in the description of these influencer shoutouts that leads to your Instagram page, and it shows your company, what it's all about, pictures of different products, and you're able to actually go and market them towards that so they see all the products, and then you direct them to the store link in the bio of your Instagram page. Because if you don't have one, then you're gonna miss out on a lot of sales if you're just posting on an influencer page and using just the link, putting it in the description or in the bio of the influencer, because you can't click on a link in the description of an Instagram post, but they can go to the bio of the influencer, but honestly in the long run it's not worth it. You want to build a brand and build an Instagram account for your e-commerce company, so that's something I definitely recommend. But back to dropshipping and if it's dead or not. So dropshipping is not dead, like I said. It's just a lack of creativity in marketing right now because everybody's piggybacking, everybody's copying each other, and that is not the best way to actually be successful dropshipping. You have to be creative. You have to go do your own product research, see what's selling, what's not. and then be creative and actually build a brand around that product. Because copying other people, like I said, it's not going to make you successful in the long run. So you want to learn how to build these skills on your own and make these skill sets in your mind so you'll know them forever and be able to transfer them to any store you create, or it depends what the skill set is, you may be able to transfer to some other business you start. So the thing is, there's always going to be that opportunity to drop ship, make money online. It's just all about your marketing and how you're being creative and building a brand. Because if you're not building a brand and you're really just pushing products out in people's faces, then in the long run, it's not going to make you successful, and you're just going to be able to push products in the short term and maybe make a little bit of money, but you're not going to be able to keep these customers and have a retention rate where they continue to buy stuff from your store. It's just going to be a one-time purchase, and you always want to make sure that the buying process is something that is good and that the customer will remember, because if they remember this buying process of, oh, they see this ad, it looks great, they go on the store, oh, it looks great, they find the product, it was easy to buy, everything was nice and clear, and it looked good, then they're going to remember that, and if they like the product, then they're going to tell their friends. It's going to spread by word of mouth, and you're going to be able to make more and more sales. So that's what it's all about. You want to build a long-term brand. So with some of these dropshipping products, they get oversaturated really fast, so you're not able to really build a long-term brand. But what you can do is actually just market yourself in a creative way, something that's original, and then people will still remember that. And if you lead that email list to your new e-commerce store, then it will continue to grow and grow and just build on each other, and you'll be able to just have this one audience that is always going to be keeping up with your different stores, because you've created this buying process that people have understood and they liked it. So it's going to spread by the word of mouth, and you're getting free traffic, free marketing, and free money basically. So for the future of dropshipping, I'm not sure exactly where it's headed. I feel like dropshipping is always going to be around because there's already a lot of big dropshipping companies that aren't related to like the online stuff that we do, selling it from AliExpress and Shopify and stuff like that. They're more like business to business models where they're dropshipping stuff within their countries and stuff to other businesses like business supplies, and I've seen a lot of companies are able to do this and make a lot of money because they're providing necessities. We are providing wants to people, to consumers. We're putting it in front of their faces. But with these business to business models, they're providing necessities to companies and collecting a profit on them. So over some research and talking to other business people, I've just realized that dropshipping isn't just online. There are also dropshipping companies that are not online and are doing stuff in person and making a lot of money off of it. So as an online business, guys, stay creative, stay genuine, and continue to learn and create your own skill sets and attain them to your head so you're able to transfer them into more stores and more businesses in the long run. So, like I said, dropshipping is going to be around forever, I believe, in a certain way, but online with Shopify, I say at least 5 more solid years. It's all about being creative and being genuine. So if you're going to take action and you're watching this, I highly suggest you be creative. Don't piggyback something exactly off of someone else, and it'll help you in the long run. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.